It is 4th of July. And it's crazy. We have so many people here. It's so hard to see. Hang on. We're about to launch off fireworks. My dad's launching off fireworks right now. This is crazy, man. Those ones are farther away. But my dad's are going to make one right in front of my eyes.
Yeah.
I make a YouTube video.
Yeah. I'm the firework. Boing. From Texas. Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, your dad.
We're not for a reason. They're just for fun.
If you see the guy in the white shirt, that's my dad. It's really hard to see on cam though.
Yeah. Wait, no. Should we go to Point?
All right, we're about to.
Oh, we did that too. We moved from Ohio.
We're about to launch off.
All right, we're about to launch number 2 mortars. 2 mortars. No, either 2 or 4 mortars. Let's see.
Oh, did you? Yeah, we did get Hannah. I don't know. And you are visiting us from Ohio right now.
Party,
Okay, this is crazy. Hang on. I would skip through the video a little bit if you are. I would skip through the video a little bit if you are wanting to see the good part.
Is this American flag?
Yeah, I tell people I'm from here now.
Oh yeah, and by the way, after I export my thing, whenever you get home, watch my video.
Wait, you can. What is your username?
My channel?
Yeah.
My channel name? It's Max Wilbur 2000.
Max Wilbur 2000. I'm gonna go on that.
Charlie,
Charlie,
my video.
Oh!
Fireworks everywhere!
Fireworks everywhere! Fireworks!
This is crazy.
Only you can see is your ear, Will.
Oh, sorry guys.
That's better. You can barely even see. So put your brightness all the way up, guys. This is my flag. Sorry. It just got turned gas.
So I am so happy to see you.
You want a beer or a chair?
Oh, look, it's gonna happen.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
That was awesome, guys. Whoa, that's a fountain.
Fountain of Death.
Let's walk into it. Oh my god, that's a big fountain.
Over there. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna give you a seizure. Fountain of Death, explosions, and another explosions,
There's a grenade explosion happening.
more explosions.
Yeah.
What explosion?
Yeah.
It's nice they can do it. It's nice they can do it.
Just like
That whole wrap.
Oh, I thought that was gonna blow. Those don't blow.
Those don't
Oh,
blow.
watch out.
Kid friendly.
Yeah, that's
That's not, no, those are grenades.
Those are kid friendly.
Yeah, those are good.
Kid pooply.
We're gonna have to come out.
Sorry, it's too loud.
Yeah, guys, I would turn down your brightness. I'll put that in the description. Turn down your don't turn your brightness up. Turn down your sound. Watch out, grenade!
Woo! Grenade man!
Oh wait, well, grenade!
Grenade! It's gonna pop!
You're gonna probably
Oh!
fast with Lou.
Fireworks everywhere. Fireworks. And I can
He's a boss, guys! He's a boss!
I can do a live stream.
Yeah.
Guys, he's a boss. Remember that. He's a boss.
Covering up the fireworks.
I'm sorry.
A bit of an air conditioner. conditioning problem.
Shut up. Oh my god,
Huge fireworks.
I would die.
It's not good. It's not good.
I'm
Is
sitting
it like a new air conditioner?
No,
We,
it's not a new air
we're
conditioner.
gonna need
What
one.
they had for 13 years.
Yeah.
And they service
Fountain of Doom. Fountain of Death.
Hi.
Not allowed to be in my YouTube video. Fountain of Death. Fountain of Death.
Make it out really fast.
It's the Fountain of Death. And more fireworks there. And fireworks here.
They live there.
Oh, watch it.
Oh, firework. This is the Fountain of Death. Fireworks over there. Fireworks over there. Fireworks right there. Fireworks here. Fire. Hey, you're blocking my view.
Here. No, quick.
Well, I'm just talking
Wait,
to
is
Molly.
Molly doing a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I am too. And I'm putting it on YouTube.
I am too.
I have my own channel.
I do too. Yes, I do. Molly. What are you
That's
trying?
not a channel, that's a video. A channel is a bunch of
Wow,
videos.
she's not even doing video. She's just facing towards the crowd.
Yeah, she's not videotaping. I'm doing one long video so I can put it on iMovie without having to put them all together in order and it's really hard. Yeah, guys, I am not very good at editing right now, so. What is flashing? Oh, yeah.
Okay, hurry.
Here, videotape my thing. Videotape my thing. Yeah. Peanut butter cheesecakes.
What is peanut butter cheesecake?
Peanut butter cheesecake.
No, question, guys.
Hang on, I gotta get really close so you can see it.
What's our peanut butter cupcakes? I don't know. That.
Is that all?
No, we got more.
When are we gonna do them?
We got more.
I'm gonna go to drink.
Is that the crazy one?
This is the mega.
Is that the
I'll
one
light
that?
this whole box on fire. No, that's what all the other ones came in.
I was like, that's one thing.
This one, you know, they may hear over in Ohio, maybe.
They were wearing,
It's
they were
about
both
to
wearing
explode into.
the color tank tops yesterday.
I'll be right back.
Great.
She's a kid, but
Okay. Explosion! Oh, are you videoing that? What? I can't hear anything. I can barely even hear myself talk.
Me too. I can barely hear
I
you.
can't even hear myself talk.
I can hear you.
I'm deaf now. I can barely hear myself talk.
Well, next time plug your ears.
Yeah, but I was holding this. So Dude, you know they can't see, right?
the house right on the other side of the light.
Look, it's pitch black. You can't see anything.
Yeah, you can.
Lights.
Like all your lights.
Lights. Whoa, scared me. Look, this is the thunderstorm. Hang on, I'm trying to get this.
Where's the music coming from?
What is this? Thunderstorm. Hey, stop it! Stop moving it! It's the thunderstorm. It's another death fountain. Oh, gotcha. Death fountain, I think. Sorry, but it says it's called the thunderstorm. No. Let's let off the thunderstorm now. Daddy, let's let off the thunderstorm.
Torch isn't working. Oh, hang on.
What your YouTube channel is?
I do.
What is it? What is it called again?
Maxwell 2000.
Here, I want to introduce you to what? I want to introduce you to these people.
I'll be right back.
airdrop that.
Yeah, that's here.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've been in Texas with
Fireworks, fireworks.
I'll go get it.
Doug's in there.
Oh, he is? What is he doing?
Making a drink.
Oh. Yeah, I think it's on top of the beer fridge.
Are you kidding me? Now I know. And I was prepared for this. I really was. It's only this bad, like the end of June.
All right.
Yeah, right.
I gotta go over here. This is scariness. Is there anyone inside?
Yes.
Who? Oh, explosions! More explosions! Sorry, the tree's in the way. Gotta get over here fast. Whoa! Did you see that machine gun? It was like,
That was a machine gun.
that was crazy. All right, I'm gonna go inside.
You gotta stand in the light bulbs to talk.
All right, guys. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So, hey, what's up, guys? I haven't got to do my intro because that started off crazy. Yes, you can come in for a little bit.
Wait, can I take off my shoes?
Yeah? No, you don't have to. Okay, guys. So, if you saw that, that was pretty crazy, right? Yeah. Come upstairs. So, going upstairs. 2.
His last one got deleted. YouTube channel.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
I had to delete it.
Oh, yeah, you had
I
to.
deleted it so I could do something. There was some random stuff that I had to do to get this YouTube channel done. It was super hard, guys. I know I haven't talked about this in my other Minecraft videos, but it was super hard.
Minecraft?
Yeah, bruh. On this. And
And how do you YouTube it?
there's an app that you can use.
Like, does it like show your face up?
No, but it shows it the video on this.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, guys. Oh, is that us? I don't know if that's us.
Here, you gotta.
It's not us. It's not us yet.
Once it happens.
Hi.
See, there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get really scared sometimes.
So we're just waiting for life to happen. So I think I'm gonna end this YouTube video here. I was just trying to get some fireworks stuff in for 4th of July, so so